News out of Brevard County. A jury has just been selected in the trial for a now former teacher charged after a house party investigators say involved roughly 100 underage students drinking. Carly Anderson turned down a plea deal, and today prosecutors dropped one of the charges against her, but she's still accused of disorderly intoxication and resisting an officer without violence. West 2's Megan Moriarty live outside the Brevard County Courthouse with a late breaking update. Megan.
It took about 6 hours for them to pick that jury. So that will be 6 jurors and 2 alternates. The alternates are just in case someone gets sick or doesn't show up or can't make it for any other reason. And this way they are set going forward. Right now, the judge is giving that jury instructions, letting them know that they cannot research this case or talk about it until it's over, and it's set to start tomorrow.
Carly Gail Anderson was then and there intoxicated and endangered the safety of another person.
A judge laid out the charges against a former Brevard County teacher Monday morning.
Carly Gail Anderson did unlawfully obstruct Demetrius Brown, an officer of the Cocoa Beach Police Department, while such officer was in the lawful execution of a legal duty.
Carly Anderson is charged with disorderly intoxication and resisting an officer without violence. Jury selection began Monday morning, starting off with 24 jurors, and one by one, prosecutors for the state attorney's office and the defense questioned jurors about their bias, whether or not they have heard about the case or if they knew the defendant or others involved. 7 people were removed from the jury panel because they heard about the case through social media or news outlets, some even citing the body camera video released by the state attorney's office. Opening statements are set to begin Tuesday morning. And the state attorney's office has at least 2 witnesses that they plan to call: a member of Brevard County Fire Rescue who was on scene that night, as well as an officer with the Cocoa Beach Police Department. They also have a long list of other possible witnesses, including some minors who attended the party. Elizabeth Hill Brodigan, the former principal who is also charged in this case, and several other first responders. The defense does not have a list of witnesses at all, but that can certainly change. Covering Brevard County, live in Viera, Megan Moriarty, West 2 News.